Have you ever wondered what really happens when you swallow a pill when you're sick? That's a question that has puzzled many of us. What journey does this tiny tablet embark on within the vast landscape of our bodies? How does it know where to go? And most importantly, how does it help us regain our health? If these questions have ever tickled your curiosity, you're in for a treat. Well, fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the fascinating journey of a medicine in our body. It all starts when the medicine enters our body, typically through our mouth. From there, it's a swift journey down into the stomach, where the real magic begins. The stomach, with its powerful acids and enzymes, starts to break down the medicine. This process is similar to how our food is digested, but with a twist. As the medicine is broken down, its active ingredients, the real heroes of our story, are released. These active ingredients are the key components that make the medicine work. They're like tiny soldiers ready to fight off whatever is making us feel unwell. The role of our digestive system in this process is critical. It not only helps to break down the medicine, but also aids in the absorption of the active ingredients into our bloodstream. This is where they can start their important work. Once the active ingredients are released, they are ready to embark on a critical mission. The medicine's active ingredients are now in our bloodstream, ready to be transported to their target. But how does this journey take place? Allow me to explain. Our body is like a well-organized city, with the circulatory system functioning as the highway network. This system, composed of the heart, blood vessels, and blood, is a marvel of biological engineering. It ensures that every corner of our body, from our toes to the top of our head, is well connected. Think of the medicine's active ingredients as passengers on this highway. They hitch a ride on the bloodstream, cruising along the veins and arteries, navigating through the vast network. Their destination? The part of the body where they're needed the most. Now, this isn't a random journey, it's a targeted approach, much like how a GPS navigates us to our destination. The active ingredients are designed to find and accumulate in the area of the body that is unwell, whether it's a throbbing headache, an inflamed joint, or a chest infection. This targeted approach is crucial for a couple of reasons. First, it ensures that the medicine acts where it's needed the most, making it more effective. Second, it helps to minimize side effects. By focusing their action on the disease or discomfort area, the active ingredients avoid causing unnecessary disruptions in other parts of the body. Along the way, these ingredients might encounter various roadblocks like metabolism and the body's defense mechanisms, but they're designed to overcome these challenges, persisting in their journey until they reach their destination. Upon reaching the target, the active ingredients don't just sit idle, they're there for a purpose, and that purpose is to alleviate the discomfort or fight the disease that has made us unwell. Upon reaching their destination, the active ingredients are ready to get to work. Now, the magic begins. This is where the medicine starts to do its job. Once the medicine has reached its target, the active ingredients begin their work. These ingredients are the true heroes of our story, the tiny warriors that take on the disease at a cellular level. Imagine ourselves as a bustling city, with various processes and functions happening at all times. Diseases often disrupt these processes, like a sudden traffic jam or power outage. The active ingredients in medicine act like specialized task forces, each with a specific role to play in restoring order. In some cases, these active ingredients enhance the body's natural processes. Think of them as a boost of energy to the city's power grid, revving up the body's own defenses and helping them work more efficiently. They can amplify the work of white blood cells, our body's natural defense force, or stimulate the production of chemicals that the body uses to repair damaged cells. In other cases, the active ingredients work by inhibiting certain processes. Imagine a scenario where a malicious entity is causing chaos in the city. The active ingredients act like a specialized police force moving in to stop the chaos causes in their tracks. They could inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, thwart the replication of a virus, or block the signals of pain that are shooting through your body. The active ingredients in medicine can also replace missing elements. This is like delivering crucial supplies to a city that is running low. For instance, insulin medication introduces insulin into the body when it can't produce enough on its own. The medicine powered by the active ingredients, orchestrates a complex dance of enhancement, inhibition, and replacement. It's an intricate ballet performed on the smallest stage imaginable, with the highest stakes, your health. The medicine is now fully at work, helping the body to recover. Each pill, each capsule, each drop of syrup is a tiny package of hope, a promise of better health, and a testament to the marvels of medical science. With their mission accomplished, it's time for the active ingredients to say goodbye. You see, our bodies are like well-oiled machines, constantly working to keep us in balance. So once the medicinal compounds have done their job, they need to exit the system. This is where our unsung heroes, the kidneys and liver, come into play. The liver, a master of multitasking, performs the crucial task of detoxification. It breaks down the potent active ingredients into less harmful substances. This process, known as biotransformation, involves a series of chemical reactions that alter the structure of the medication. Meanwhile, the kidneys are hard at work too. Their primary role is filtration. They sift through our blood, removing waste products and excess substances, including the metabolized medicine. These waste products are then expelled through urine, a process we're all familiar with. It's like a well-choreographed dance where each organ plays its part in perfect harmony. The liver breaks down the medicine, the kidneys filter it out, and voila! The active ingredients have safely exited the body. But the story doesn't end here. The effects of the medicine continue to reverberate within us. They've triggered changes, started processes, and set healing in motion. It's like dropping a stone in a pond. The ripples continue long after the stone has sunk. The medicine's journey is now complete, but its effects continue as the body recovers. Let's take a moment to recap the amazing journey we've just witnessed. When you're feeling unwell and you take a tablet, it's easy to overlook the remarkable process that unfolds within your body. But today, we've traced the path of a medicine from the moment it's ingested till its final exit, revealing the intricate mechanisms that help you recover from disease. Firstly, we explored the entry point. The moment you swallow that pill, this is where the journey begins. The tablet travels down your esophagus and lands in your stomach. Here, it starts to break down, thanks to the potent gastric juices. This breakdown process is crucial as it converts the medicine into a form that your body can utilize effectively. Next, we followed the medicine on its voyage through the bloodstream. It's like a highway system, transporting the now dissolved medicine to the parts of the body where it's most needed. It's an impressive system of delivery, ensuring that the medicine reaches its target and starts its healing work promptly. Then we delved into the healing process. The medicine, now at its target, begins to interact with our body's cells. It might block a harmful substance, kill a virus or bacteria, or even repair a damaged cell. This is the part where you start to feel better, where the symptoms of your illness begin to subside. Finally, we looked at the exit strategy. After the medicine has done its job, it needs to leave the body. It's broken down further in the liver, then sent to the kidneys for removal. It's an efficient system, ensuring no harmful residues are left behind. So, the next time you take a pill, remember the incredible journey it takes within your body to help you feel better. It's not just a tablet, it's a vessel carrying a complex scientific process purposefully designed to restore your health. And that, my friends, is the wonder of medicine.